Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. You hear baby in the background. That's Makai. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing a brand new wig. Like I need a new wig. I bought this from Amazon, I believe. I've had it a while, but I'm just now reviewing it. It's called ARLISSA. It's by OUTRE. Their melted hairline line. And I have it in the color. Where's the color at? Dark root. Okay, DRFF for hazelnut honey. The DR stands for dark root, and the FF stands for face framing. So, for hazelnut honey. So that's the color of it. That's the way it's packaged up. I've never had it out the package yet. And it's by OUTRE. Comes packaged up nicely. Salt packet fell out. Just dropped it again. Take the hairnet off. I wasn't sure if I was going to have to cut lace or not, and I do, so I brought my scissors in here. Take all this packing out. Cut the tag off. I saw some plastic over here. I usually have the wigs out the pack and they come on the video. I keep the tags. That's how the tag looks. Okay. Oh, it has a band in it. Okay, let me show you well, first of all, let me show you how this wig looks. Look at that color. I hope it looks right against my skin tone. There's left side part, y'all. Let me see how much parting space. Just that parting space. See? Okay, I'm going to, let me show you the specifics of the wig before I cut the lace. Okay, turn it inside out. It has a nice stretchy wig cap. It has the weft sewn on. It has a comb in the back with the tag along with 2 adjustable straps. It has a comb on each side at the temples. There's one. Here's the other. And it has a band, elastic band sewn in. So it's good. It has adjustable straps and the elastic band. So I'm going to attach this adjustable strap because it's loose. And then I'm going to cut the lace. Okay. And has this parting space, so left side part. So I'm going to put powder in here and cut the lace, then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I cut the lace. I cut my MzBrazell notch into the lace. Just a little V right there at the part, so you don't see the line of demarcation. I put the powder on this side. This is what I use, just whatever I use on my face that'll match my scalp. Okay, so that's how it looks. Look at that body. Look at this pretty color. Okay, I'm gonna wear a wig grip. It keeps my wig from sliding and it keeps it from being snatched off or sliding off. The wig, the part is on that side. Tucking this braid under. I don't do no cornrows or nothing. I just comb my hair, braid it, and tuck the braid under. And of course, it's not that flat, but it'll be all right. Okay. That's right, got a elastic band. I gotta put that on some kind of way. Put this on like this. Reach under here and find that elastic band. People put these wigs on all kind of ways. I don't know how they put the band on first. Okay, it's under here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the band on first. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Maybe I can, yeah. Tuck it up under that, tucked under the braid. Okay. That's working. Just straighten it out. Okay, where is it? Trying to find it. Oh, here it is. Okay. I'm pulling this comb up under my tucked under braid and up under that band. Okay, I should have brought my black. I'll be back. Okay, I hope I don't have to make another trip to the room. So I got my black eyebrow pencil, eyeliner pencil, so I can touch up the edges of this lace. I also have my eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this dark brown. I'm gonna try using the dark brown on this light lace. Some people use some kind of spray to tint their lace, so they don't have to be doing all this. But I'm gonna try this first. Okay, it's working. I'll blend it with my hairline. Okay, it's working. See how light this lace is? Okay. And see under here, that's the lace. Color it in, make it darker. So I don't have to use the pencil. Right there. Here in my face.
You okay? You okay now?
Okay. I want my earrings to show y'all. It has body. Look at that. I'll make this part more visible.
Big boy. You a big boy.
Okay. I like this color.
You look like Tweety Bird.
Okay, I like this. And it looks like the picture. This is the Melted Hairline lace front wig called ARLISSA by OUTRE. It's in the dark root face framing for hazelnut honey. Okay, that's how it looks in the front. Cute, cute, cute. Nice length. The right side. The back. And left side. Okay, that's a strand right there. Okay. It's bouncing and behaving here. I don't want nothing in my face too much. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.